I'm settling a trust for a client. Her father had prepared a trust with a different attorney, and I am helping the successor trustee end different portions of the trust. And I don't know, occasionally I love to fracture my language, but we are administering the trust and making all right in the world according to the trust. And it made me think, in my trusts, I put a lifetime access for the trustee to a home. And the situation for this given person and property is that an amendment was done to the trust that allows one of the children of the trust maker to reside in the home for all of her life. That is in effect granting someone a life estate in a piece of property. So I'll just give an example. Say that within the trust assets, a person had one or several properties and indicated, I'm just going to give it 123 Main Street. So I own 123 Main Street, and upon my death, my child, Jane Doe, may reside in 123 Main Street for all of her life. And maybe with some other language as to what expenses she might have to pay, or maintenance of the property, payment of taxes, water, utilities, things like that. So what that trust maker did was convey to his child, but it could have been anyone that he chose, conveyed a life estate in the property. And then upon the death of Jane Doe, the property is going to go to A, B, and C in equal shares, or Good Samaritan's Children's Hospital, or any other person, entity, charity in the world. We could do it all through the trust. The typical way is that the person that's making the trust retains a life estate, the right to live in that property for all of their own life while the trust owns the property. And then, upon the death of the trust maker, the property would go in wherever that person wanted. And in this instance, this trust maker wanted his child, Jane Doe, to be able to reside in that property for all of her life. We aim to please.